Hello and welcome to my video of the Dark Impact speed run. First of all, starting off with it completely stock, and then just after that we'll nip to when I installed a brushless motor in it. I've got Mark on the camera, but he can't say hello because I'm doing a voiceover on this one, because when we first did this video there was an alarm bell going off and it's so annoying I've turned the sound down. So let's get on with it. So there we have it, a pitiful 15 mile an hour. That's about 24.1 kph, not very fast at all. After the initial run we got about, I think it was 15 mile per hour.
I think it was something like that.
Yeah, it was pitifully slow, so I thought we're going to have to put something decent in this. I hope you can see there, but I've swapped it for a 13.5 turn censored brushless motor, and for some reason in doing so I've ended up blowing two of my digital receivers.
Oh dear.
So I now have wibbly wobbly
Yay!
in place, and if you have a look inside the cab itself, I've now put a driver in.
Very nice, Rob.
And I will be doing a video on how I painted that. Unfortunately, I had to do some brain surgery. But there we go. So
I think it transforms it, Rob.
It
great,
does.
yeah.
I think it's a lot better with the driver in.
You've got to have a driver in a buggy, haven't you?
So let's give it another run and see what we get out of it this time.
See what that blue motor does.
Yeah.
Nice one.
Again with 7.2 volt NiMH battery.
0 miles an hour, let's go.
It looks pretty nippy, Rob.
Looks it, doesn't it?
A bit faster than before, that's for sure. I can't keep up with it, mate. Where you gone? I've got the sun in the lens.
Shade.
Yeah, I got it.
One off one.
Okay. Shall we have a look? We have got 27 miles an hour, Rob.
Oh, yeah.
That's pretty nippy buggy.
Cool. Well, there we go. Slap a 13.5 turn brushless motor in it, and it's a good one.
It is a good one,
We'll have
isn't
a
it?
bit of fun with this one now. There we go, folks. I hope you enjoyed this little ditty, and look forward to seeing you on the next one. Cheers. Bye.